Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling Internet in the Kaggle notebook settings so external tunnels can connect. Once done, install Streamlit and Pingrok via pip so you can both run the app and expose it publicly. Next, create a minimal app. Pi with basic Streamlit UI elements. This gets you past setup and into an executable app file immediately. Make sure package is installed without errors and that app. Pi is saved before proceeding to run and tunnel it. You now write the full app. Pi. Include sent title, inputs, and a clear function to render results so the interface is interactive. Then, in the notebook, launch Streamlit in the background via subprocess or NoHup and immediately establish a Pingrok HTTP tunnel pointing at Streamlit's local port, usually 8501. Once the tunnel is up, capture the returned public URL and print it in the notebook cell. That URL is to finish, open the printed public URL in a browser and interact with your Streamlit app. Keep the Kaggle session active, since disconnecting will close the tunnel and stop the app. You can save logs to disk for later inspection. If the app doesn't load, check that Internet was enabled, the subprocess is running, and Pingrok shows an active tunnel. One key troubleshooting tip: if the URL times out, restart the tunnel and Streamlit process after verifying Internet is enabled, and that port 8501 is free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.